So what's up guys, this particular network right here just sent me $350 just by making people to click on the link. Yeah, I know your mind now you'll be saying, how is that even possible? You make people to click on the link, then you generate $350. But don't worry, if you stick to the end of this video, you're gonna be at the point where you can make this type of money here or even make more than I've made from this website. Alright? And no matter where you come from, being America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Oceania, no matter where you are in the world, you can still get started from this website and start generating money right away guys. Alright? And all you need to get started is just a smartphone or even a computer. Alright? And just an access to the internet, then you are good to go. There's nothing that should be holding you back. Alright? Now let me explain to you how it works. Alright? All you need to do just for you to get people to click on your link. Each time a person or a visitor click on your link, you will be paid 20 cents. Alright? 20 cents per each visitor that click on your affiliate link. That's how we are going to be making money from this website guys. Alright? It's very easy, it's very pretty straightforward. Now the first thing that we're going to do is to find these people that will be clicking on our links so that at the end we're going to be generating more money. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is to come over to this website that is called Microworkers. Alright, here is going to be the website that is going to be giving us the traffic. On this website we're going to create an account. I'm going to set up our campaigns, and for the campaigns those people are going to be clicking on our links, and at the end we will be paid 20 cents each time a person from this website click on our link. But if you don't know how to use this website, I will leave you a link in the description of this video. It's one of my videos that I made some time ago when I was just getting started on this channel. Alright, if you don't know how this website works, Microworkers, just watch that video, you understand everything that you need to know. Alright, once you understand how Microworkers works, alright, the first thing that we need to do is to go over to the main website that's going to be paying us the main money. Alright, just click on this button right here, these three lines, and then click on this button that says affiliate, then you're going to be on this page. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is to create our account. To do that is pretty straightforward. Just click on this link right here that says create account, then you're going to be on this page. Okay, on this page they are going to be asking you about your basic information like your first name, your last name. Alright, choose your old tracking ID. Your tracking ID is going to be the main name of the campaign. Let me just put it that way, the main name of the campaign that you're going to use to remember what the campaign is all about. Alright, and you're going to create a username right here, then you create a new password, you type the password, then you go over to this place where it says additional information. You're going to put your company name and your web URL. But if you don't have the company, just write your main name here. Alright, just write your first name and your last name, and write the name of your street and the name of your city. Okay, put the state and the country where you live. Okay, after that just hit on it, agree to the terms and conditions and hit on sign up. Alright, but on this company name, if you put your first name and your last name, they're going to ask you of your web URL. Alright, just put in your Facebook account or your Instagram accounts. Okay, doesn't really matter, but make sure you put something. Okay, and then when you hit on the agree to the terms and conditions and hit on sign up, that is it. Alright, and once you create your new account, it's going to look something like this. Alright, here is going to represent all the impressions that you've generated and all the clicks that you've made. Alright, about the commission, everything's right here. Here you have a dedicated affiliate manager. Alright, that is going to be helping you out anytime you have a problem. Okay, and this link right here, this is where the magic is going to be happening. This is your affiliate link. This is what you're going to be using on Microworkers. This is the same link that those people are going to be clicking on, and at the end we're going to be making money. Alright, and now all you need to do is to copy the link, and once you've done that, just for you to paste it somewhere else where it's going to be saved. Okay, because we're going to be using it to create our campaign. Okay, after you must have done that, we're going to go over to Microworkers again where the magic is going to be happening. Alright, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel I teach people how to stay at home and make money online. So if that sounds good to you and you want to be part of the family and you want to make more money online, consider subscribing to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And you know what that means? When you're the first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video, be the first person to start making money with the video. And once you've done that and you find this video to be helpful, give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video to more people like you who are willing to make more money online. Once you're a microworker, okay, the first thing I would like you to do is to click on this button right here that says click and search. Alright, because we're going to be making people to click on our link, and for us we're going to be generating money. Alright, now let me show you the proven formula that has worked for me so that you too can apply the same formula and at the end make some money out of it. Alright, this is how it was. We are looking for 3,000 people, and these 3,000 people we are going to be paid in 5 cents per click. Alright, then $150 is going to give us 3,000 people. Alright, so these 3,000 people times 20 cents, at the end of the day we're going to be having $600. Alright, now from this $600 away from your initial investment, you're going to be having $450 as your return of investment. Alright, so if you want to make more money, the more capital that you have, the more money you invested, it's going to result in more money that you're going to be making at the end of the process. Alright, so if you invest $150, you're going to be at the point where you can be making $450 at the end. Okay, so it's up to you to choose what you're going to do. Alright, now when you return to Microworker, what you need to do to make all these things happen is to click on this button right here that says create TTV campaign. Alright, if you click on the button, it's going to take you to this side. Here it says start a new busy campaign, start a new higher group campaign. Alright, if you click on the first link, you're going to be on this page where you can set it up. Okay, I have a video that I've done some time ago, just like I said in the video. There is a basic tutorial that's going to walk you through how you can use Microworkers to set up campaign. Alright, so if you are so interested in making this money that I just show you, this formula that I just revealed to you, click on that video and watch the video so you understand it better. Alright, because I don't want this video to be long, I want it to be short as I can. Alright, and once you create the campaign on Microworkers, you're going to take this link right here, your affiliate link, and you're going to paste it on the campaign that you created on Microworkers. Alright, and so when people start clicking on this your link, you're going to be generating money from this website. Okay, and the name of this website is called Entire Web. Alright, but if you feel like you don't want to pay any money, alright, you can come to this website right here that's called slideshare.net. Okay, just make a little graphic of what interests you or something that should be clickable. Okay, and once you've done that, just upload it to this website, and by that you're going to have it with free, but it's not going to be fast, but it's going to be of passive. Okay, you can see most of the posts here are getting lots of views. Alright, like this first one right here is having 1 million plus views. Okay, out of this million, a lot of people must have clicked on the link to check it out. What is it all about? Okay, you can see this post right here was uploaded 2 years ago, and to date it's still getting view on this site. Okay, you can use this site Slideshare if you want it to be slow but passive. And if you go to this website that is called Similar Web, you see that they have monthly visits of 75 million people all over the world. Okay, if you have 0.01% of this total number to click on your link, man, you're on the right track. Okay, but this is not going to be fast, it's going to be slow. Okay, like the Microworker is going to be fast, it's something like a button. Okay, if you watch this video to this point and you're not so convinced about this website, or maybe you're kind of skeptical, you don't want to use this website, I have all other videos on my channel that you could possibly check out. Alright, there is a full playlist that is made for you, just like this one that you've seen here. If you click on any of this video right here, it's going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. Okay, in this 2022, you must make your first money online. Okay, just trust and believe the process. At the end of the day, sky is going to be the limit. Alright, so see you next time when we drop another video again just like this on how to stay at home and be your boss and make money online. Cheers, peace out.